Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Teriyaki chicken. Okay guys, so to make our teriyaki chicken, the first thing we're going to do is add some oil, as you can see there, to our pan, because what we want to do is fry our chicken first. We're going to brown it on both sides, fry it on both sides so it gets a nice brown color before we're going to put it into the oven to bake. So I'm using a half of a chicken here. It's already washed and clean. So here now I am putting the chicken in skin side down. You're going to leave that in there in order to brown on one side, and then we're going to flip over and brown on the other side. I would also kind of turn it on the side, as you can see there, so I can get some color on the sides as well. So that's the first thing you want to do, is brown your chicken, or you can say fry it before you put it in the oven. Okay, so as you can see, we have a nice color. Now I have a pan there in the background where I did add some more oil, and I'm going to rest my chicken in there now, because now we have to put this chicken into the oven in order to bake for about 40 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So I just put that into the oven. By the way guys, that stainless steel pan that I used was seasoned, and I do have a video on my channel showing how to season a stainless steel pan. All right, our chicken is finished baking. So what we're going to do now is we're going to carve it up, dissect it, or cut it up, because now we have to put it into the teriyaki sauce. So I made a homemade teriyaki sauce for this. There is a recipe on my channel on how to make homemade teriyaki sauce. Okay, I will leave a link. So what you're going to do now is the same pan that we fried our chicken in, we're going to add the teriyaki sauce to this pan, which will help deglaze the pan, because all that fond there, we want that. So that's the teriyaki sauce that I have there. I'm adding it. Of course, if you want to use store-bought teriyaki sauce, you can do that. So yeah, so just deglaze your pan with the teriyaki sauce. So as you can see, after a while, the teriyaki sauce is going to start to thicken up, which is what you want. Okay, and so you're adding now your chicken into this pan to coat your chicken now with that teriyaki sauce. So make sure and stir well so you get a nice coating, and as it continues to bubble, of course it continues to thicken up and coat your chicken. And that's it there guys. It's as simple as that. Your teriyaki chicken. You can also sprinkle spring onions on the top. Enjoy!